Introducing Amazon Elements Baby Wipes, your ultimate solution for cleanliness on the go. These wipes are enriched with natural ingredients like cucumber and aloe, ensuring a gentle cleanse for your baby's skin. Pediatrician tested and formulated without harsh chemicals, these wipes are perfect for hands, face, and bottom. With 9 packs of 90-count wipes, you'll have an ample supply for all your baby's needs. Parents love the fresh scent and appreciate that these wipes are gentle on sensitive skin, with no adverse reactions. Please remember, do not flush these wipes. Dispose of them in your trash for a clean and safe environment. With over 15,000 reviews and a stellar 4.7-star rating, these wipes are a trusted choice for families. Get your hands on 810 baby wipes for just $20 and experience the quality for yourself.